If you are looking to enhance the performance of your Dell PowerEdge servers or precision workstations, the ATEC 64GB kit could be your perfect solution. This memory kit consists of 8 8GB modules, providing a total of 64GB of high-quality DDR2 ECC fully buffered server memory. It's designed specifically for a wide range of Dell models, ensuring compatibility and reliable performance. This ATEC memory is tailored for various Dell PowerEdge models, including the 1900, 1950, 1955, 2900, 2950, M600, R900, and SC1430. It also supports Dell PowerVault and F500, and F600, and NX1950, as well as precision workstation models like the 490, 690, and T5400. Whether you are using a 750W or 1kW chassis, this memory kit is compatible, offering you flexibility and ease of installation. One of the standout features of this memory kit is its speed. Operating at 667 MHz, it ensures your server or workstation runs smoothly and efficiently, handling demanding tasks with ease. The DDR2 ECC technology is crucial for maintaining data integrity and preventing errors, making it an excellent choice for critical applications and environments where reliability is paramount. What sets this ATEC memory kit apart is its lifetime warranty. This speaks volumes about the confidence ATEC has in its product's durability and performance. With genuine ATEC memory, you are assured of quality and long-term support, which is vital for enterprise and professional use. Installing the ATEC 64GB kit is straightforward, even if you're not a tech expert. The modules fit seamlessly into your existing setup, and the performance boost is noticeable immediately. Whether you're upgrading an older system or building a new one, this memory kit provides a significant improvement in speed and stability. Overall, the ATEC 64GB kit is an exceptional choice for anyone needing a robust memory upgrade for their Dell PowerEdge servers or precision workstations. Its combination of high-capacity, reliable DDR2 ECC technology, and a lifetime warranty makes it a worthwhile investment. Enhance your system's performance and reliability with this top-tier memory upgrade from ATEC. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.